Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. You have Chrome and VS Code, plus the debugger for Chrome or built-in Edge/Chrome debug. Create or open. VSCode/launch. JSON and set type to PWA Chrome. Request to launch and web root correctly pointing to your workspace. Once done, choose that configuration in the Run panel and press the green play. You do this to connect VS Code's debugger to Chrome's DevTools protocol, so breakpoints and console output map to your source files. Now focus on mapping and execution. If you use TypeScript or bundlers enable source map, Trousseau Chrome can link compiled code back to original sources, update webroot or path mapping to resolve files. Then set breakpoints in VS Code. Start the session and watch them hit. Make sure you launch. JSON uses the preferred console option, so console log appears where you expect it. If breakpoints miss, restart the debug session after clearing caches. This ensures source maps and paths refresh properly. Finish by confirming Chrome is controlled, either launched by VS Code or started with remote debugging port equals 9222. Attach or relaunch the session, then use both VS Code and Chrome DevTools to inspect variables and network. This dual approach lets you see console output and DOM changes simultaneously. If you still don't see output, check that source map paths match webroot. Disable extensions that lock profiles and ensure no firewall blocks the debug port. One key tip: clear the browser cache and restart both VS Code and Chrome before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.